Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing video. Today we have a Cooler Master MWE Gold 650 watt power supply. Here's the front of the box. You can see the power supply, and it has 5 years warranty and like other information here. Here's like in other languages. Here's the back of the box. It shows like a bunch more information. And here it shows like the different like connections. And here's the other side of the box. Here it shows like the specifications of the power supply. And now I'll open it up. Oh shit. Right. Here's like a manual. Yeah, like a user guide. Here's the cable. And here's the power supply itself. With all like the connections and stuff. And yeah, here's like the side of it. And I'll just take this off. And you can see like all like you can see the power supply, like all the sides of the power supply. Here's alright, thank you for watching this unboxing video.